Hi everybody, I was going to make a video about how to clean your bathroom drain if it clogs up and you don't know how to clean it. So, I've already cleaned this one, but I thought I would go through and show you what I did just in case you have that problem. So I'm looking at the drain here in the bottom and there's a Phillips screwdriver Phillips bit in there with a screw. So you'll need a pair of pliers, needle nose, a Phillips screwdriver, and then I grabbed a couple of wire brushes and then whatever I could put in there to grab the gunk out of the drain. So I'll show you what I did. I'll show you how to take it apart. I'll show you the mess I made, and then what came out of the drain. So. Which is just hair and soap and organic matter. That's what clogs up these drains. So every once in a while you just got to go clean it out. So I've already unscrewed this, but there's the screw, and I'm going to take it out of here because I've already partially undone it. Set it aside so you don't lose it. Here's the cap. Take the cap off, and then I'll show you the drain. The drain itself, let me get the proper lighting here, is a cross hatch pattern, and in the middle, if you can see it, there's a hole there, and that's where your screw goes in to hold the cap on so that you don't toss anything down the drain. So all I did was, those openings that are there are just enough to get a pair of needle nose pliers in there to pull out any gunk that you have trapped in your drain. So let me see if I can do this. I'm literally going to take my pretty pink pliers here and literally just go in there, and I'm pulling out pieces of hair and everything else, and then putting it on the mat here, and I'll show you. I have a mat full of hair and soap and everything else. And it's not dirty, it's just clogged up the drain after years. It's what you don't see. I also took my wire brush and jammed it in there to get any of the pieces that the needle nose pliers wouldn't get. So you can see it's pretty clean, and then you'll see there's stuff all over the tub that I've pulled out of there. And I'm just going to rinse that right back down the drain. So I hope this helps you learn about what to do in case your tub backs up, because it's really pretty simple and you don't need to call a plumber. So the cap goes back on there. Go get your screw. I'm going to put my screw right back in there, and I'm going to feel for that hole in the middle. And all I'm going to do is screw it back in there. So, a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a little bit of hard work, and you can clean your own drain and not have to call a plumber, because it's literally just that easy. It takes a little patience to get in there and clean that drain out, but once you get it cleaned out, like I said, unscrew that cap, get a pair of needle nose pliers, get yourself a piece of paper towel to pull that out of there, and it's nasty, but it's your hair, and just soaplets collected. It's all biodegradable. You can wash your hands. So I hope this helps save you some money and some time. It's a simple project, and all you got to do is rinse everything up and wipe up all your tools when you're done, and that's it. So I hope that helps, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and leave a like if you like what I showed you. This is my first how-to video, so you can see that's why I have a flashlight, and it's kind of cheesy with my phone, but I figured, hey, I'm here doing it, and YouTube has taught me so much, so hopefully it'll teach you something too. So thanks, and have a good day.